Hello everyone. I hope all of you are keeping safe and sound. Well, I know the situation right now is really tough on all of us. We have been suffering from something that was so unexpected. Yes, a pandemic I'm talking about. From time and again, from the very beginning of mankind, we have been hit by so many kinds of pandemics, be the Spanish flu, black fever, dengue, smallpox, etc. Right now, we are going through another pandemic, that is the COVID 19 pandemic. This pandemic was first reported in the Wuhan province of China on December 2019. In India, it was first reported in Kerala on the 30th of January 2020. From then on, India has reported about 29 million confirmed COVID 19 cases, accounting to about 388,000 deaths in the country. Yes, this is huge, this is terrifying. But right now, we need to be strong. We need to be stronger than ever. We need to be those unbreakable pillars. We need to help ourselves and the people around us. Our government has been implementing so many rules and regulations, introducing new protocols every day to help prevent the further spread of this disease. But it is not the government alone who is responsible. It is also our responsibility as the citizens of India to fight this coronavirus. We need to follow all the rules set, maintain social distancing, avoid crowded places, use sanitizers, masks, and whatever precautions necessary. This COVID 19 is like a wildfire which can only be put to containment if all of us follow the rules and regulations. The first wave of COVID 19, as I said, hit us in the year 2020. That first wave itself has been so devastating. It has somewhat drained our country, and especially economically, it has made our country really weak. And when somewhere we thought that things were getting better, we were hit by the second wave in the year 2021. And this second wave has been more devastating than ever. It has killed so many people. We have seen so many of our loved ones die. We have seen people die due to lack of hospital beds, due to lack of oxygen. And the scenario itself is so heart-wrenching and heartbreaking. The crematoriums and graveyards are completely full. They don't have place to accommodate any more dead bodies. And I don't think there can be a sadder scenario than this. But you know what I believe? That we have a lot of contribution towards a devastating situation. Yes, we somewhere are responsible for this. By the end of 2020, we started believing that COVID 19 is no more. We openly indulged in activities without following the COVID norms, and that's what really hit us hard. In the onset of the second wave of COVID 19, we were really helpless. Now, the AIIMS chief Dr. Randeep Gularia has warned us that within a span of 6 to 8 weeks, we could be hit by the third wave. But this time, let us be prepared. Let us not be helpless. Instead, let us help others and ourselves. This time, let us actually follow the rules and regulations. This time, let's not let COVID here take the lives of the people we care for. I request all of you to get vaccinated as soon as possible. Maintain social distancing, follow all the rules and regulations and protocols set. Let us come together as a country to defeat this third wave which is coming. Let us show COVID that India is stronger than this virus. Yes, indeed, we are stronger. I just want to urge all of you to help India breathe again. I just request all of you to actually help the country in this so much devastating situation. At the end of my video, I would like to request once again to all of you to help the people around us. The poor and middle class has been hit so hard by this pandemic. Let's hold their hands and help them in every way possible and be the true human that we should be. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.